In a constantly evolving and complex global economy, our ambition to become a client-centric and digitally enabled organization depends on transforming client experience, delivering operational excellence, and driving sustainable growth and value to our clients. The diversified industries sector is highly integrated across subsectors comprising manufacturing, healthcare, automotives, hospitality, industrial conglomerates and services. Environmental, social and governance, ESG, has become an imperative for global competitiveness. And at Standard Bank, we are committed to ensuring that our business strategy is consistent with and contributes to ESG principles. Many of our clients want to deliver on sound ESG targets and enhance their sustainable footprint, but they're not always sure how best to achieve it. We partner with them to achieve positive environmental, social and governance targets through our sustainability-linked loans and bonds. Supply chain resiliency will continue to be top of mind for businesses globally as they seek to mitigate against risk and align to changes such as ESG requirements. We understand the critical role of supply chains in the business ecosystem and view it as an important element in the growth of the diversified industry sector. Key to efficient supply chains is a transport and logistical infrastructure network that facilitates the movement of goods and services, ensuring routes to market for many industries. Growth expectations largely depend on the pace of economic recovery. In manufacturing, businesses are looking at local opportunities as Africa focuses on becoming less reliant on the international community. As we step into 2023, our journey begins with a reflection of our business to define core strategic sectors, which include automotives, healthcare, manufacturing, conglomerates and services, and hospitality. With our sector-driven local and regional approach across Africa, we will deliberately focus on broadening solution-driven product offerings and services for our clients.